Hey guys, another video from Adventures, and we're under tornado watch right now. There's a tornado warning, 2 counties above us. It's just 6 o'clock and it's already pitch black outside. And we're in the summertime, so it's normally dark at 9 o'clock. When the tornado, oh my. Sorry for my language, guys. I just got that on video. Sorry for my language again. I just got that on video. I'm gonna pause this camera and take some shelter. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. This is amazing. We're in a tornado watch, right?
I'm watching it.
I'm gonna have the brightness up, guys. It's too dark on the camera.
I put my hand on there, so it's close. Look at my hand.
Where'd your hands go? Did you lose them?
Right there.
There they are.
It's pretty dark just to be 7 o'clock.
My jacket failed.
Got that one.
Constant roar, that thunder over there.
I'm getting some good lighting here on film.
That's what a tornado sounds like right there.
Where's my pocket? Did I have pockets?
Do ya?
Good grief, I got that one. Is this like I heard there's a couple supercells in Atlanta. Atlanta got it bad.
Where's my pocket?
I didn't know. You got pocket? Oh, you're wrong side out. Right there, Laura. You so pretty right side out. There you go.
Sorry guys, it's pitch black here.
I like that one jacket. That feels pretty good, don't it? There you go, baby. Now you got pockets.
Okay guys, so over in that direction it's circulating, like vortexing, and over in this direction it's nothing but lightning strikes, like oh, whoa. Like I just saw on the camera. I hope that showed up good. So we're under tornado watch right now. And we hardly ever get any storms like this in Resaca, Georgia, so it's rotating still over there like a tornado is fixing to come down. There's been a couple tornado warnings in some counties above us. Sorry. We're gonna fix them to go and take. That looks like a tornado. You see those clouds right there? See that cloud up there? That looks like a big, like EF5 up there. So I'm gonna turn the camera off, and we're gonna go take some shelter in our basement. So this is just a short video. Hope we make it through the storm.
Mom, there's stuff.
Look, look.
We got a tornado like 10 miles from here. We got a tornado warning on the ground right now. So I'm going to take some shelter and cut this video. Sorry, guys.